What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about ARDR, also known as Ardor, which has pumped up nearly 60% in the last 24 hours and it is currently trading at just over 11 cents. And as you guys can see, not just in the last 24 hours but over the last week or so, it has been pumping and hitting green candles quite consistently. So we're going to be looking at, is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or should you sell it if you're on a profit and take out your money? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and the long term as well, looking at how high and how low can this crypto go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ardor, which is here in purple at just over 7 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at 11 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we also have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the 30-minute chart. Zooming in here, we've got the blue and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks it's going to keep pumping in that pace and, keep hitting green candles, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. In fact, over the next 12 to 14 hours, I am expecting Ardor to have dropped back down in value below the 10 cents target. However, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now and start to drop. Of course not. It's likely to pump up above 12 cents, nearly hitting 13 cents over the next couple of hours before it starts to drop back down just to about 10 cents or just below 10 cents towards the end of the day today. So yes, do expect it to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we've still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well, meaning it's not realistic. However, at this point, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Ardor over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm essentially expecting this crypto to be hitting, let's say, around the 15 cents target is what I'm expecting. Nothing too crazy, but potentially heading up to 15 cents is what I'm expecting from Ardor over the next 7 to 8 days. So again guys, this depends on how the crypto market performs and how Bitcoin performs, to be specific, because as you guys can see, Bitcoin is up today hitting $30,000 and I'm expecting it to pump up even higher, potentially hitting about $33,000 over the next couple of weeks. But again, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, and the crypto market has not been performing too well for this year anyway. But yeah, hopefully for the rest of the year we should be hitting green candles, which means Ardor should also be moving in a positive direction, hitting about approximately 14 to 15 cents towards the end of next week is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We do have the blue and the orange line once again looking quite steep, heading towards a bullish direction, looking very positive. However guys, this is in fact looking quite steep only because of the major pump that's been taking place, and I'm not expecting it to carry on that way over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So towards the end of the year, even though I am expecting Ardor to have gone through an overall increase in value, I'm not expecting a huge pump or a major increase in value. In fact, I am expecting minimal increases from Ardor, potentially hitting about 20 to 23 cents is where I'm expecting Ardor to be trading at towards the end of the year. Again, some of you guys may have expected a much more increase in value. Some of you guys may have not expected that at all. But I think 20 to 23 cents is a reasonable increase in value that should take place over the next 2 months approximately, if the crypto market does manage to stay on the green side. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if there's a major crash or a bull run or a price bump that can take place, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Ardor. So those of you guys who are asking, is it time to buy it right now? Personally, guys, I wouldn't invest into it at this specific time, as I am expecting it to drop down a little bit over the next couple of hours and days as well. So if I really wanted to invest into this crypto, I would wait for it to drop back down to approximately below 8 to 7 cents. I would expect it to drop at. But to be completely honest with you guys, I do not own any of this crypto and I'm not looking to invest into it at all, only because I do have other cryptocurrencies that I would rather invest into. But again, it's entirely up to you guys. If you want to invest, go for it. If you guys think it's a good time to invest into it right now, then yeah, absolutely go for it. But yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, but we are getting very close to hitting the resistance target here, which is 14 cents, which I'm not expecting it to hit. Even if it does hit that, it is very likely to resist and drop back down into the red zone. That has previously happened a couple of times. Well, as you guys can see here in May 2022, it hit the resistance target, dropped back down. Again here around August 2022, it hit the resistance target, dropped back down. Late last year, December, hit the resistance target, dropped back down, and a similar early in April this year, it literally hit the resistance target and dropped back down as well. So yeah, even if it does hit the resistance target, it is likely to drop back down into the red zone. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Ardor. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as you guys can see, the volume keeps going up. It has gone up 168% in the last 24 hours, making it $108 million in trading, which is again a huge increase, and it is not likely to stop there. It is likely to keep going up and pumping and so on and so on. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys are expecting Ardor to hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.